Why does your scanner show the P2207 engine code? What does it mean? P2207 is a diagnostic trouble code for NOx sensor heater control circuit high bank 1 sensor 1. The P2207 engine code indicate that the engine control module, ECM, has detected a higher than expected voltage or a malfunction in the heating circuit of the primary nitrogen oxide sensor. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty NOx sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, exhaust leaks, excess soot or carbon buildup, fuel or oil contamination. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Honda, and Chrysler. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.